Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Poshmark how to change username. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To change your username on Poshmark, what you need to do first is head over and open up your Poshmark app and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged in, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, then inside tap on the three-line menu in the top left corner of the options. Then inside go to account settings, and inside account settings tap on edit profile. Then in the username section, tap the field with your current username and type in your new one. Once done, save your changes by tapping done or the check mark. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.